Hi everyone, this is Brio Boy 2009. Yes, this is Brio Boy 2009. Once again from the Miami International Airport, Tri-Rail and Amtrak station for my annual New Year's Eve Railfanning. Up above we see the sci-fi design of the Metrorail station, and there's a train coming. It is train number P623, and it'll be arriving on track 1. And I'll be recording it as it arrives, which I now do. You'll have to excuse me, folks. Rascal. Which, of course, I wasn't. I'll simply wait and you all can enjoy the station ambience as we await the arrival of P623. Well, we don't have to wait that long, because there's a Metrorail train coming in on the northbound tracks. Excuse me, folks. Excuse me. I'll just get up here, and I'll record the Metrorail coming. If I can even get a good angle of it, which I probably can't. But it's in there, it's gonna come. Oh, there it is. Up there. $420 and $419, and the other set is $378 and $377. All right, wonder why those numbers sound familiar. The Tri-Rail's being pulled by one of the freight locomotives. I've been waiting to catch one of these trains for a long time, and it's finally coming in.
Southbound train P623, boarded in approximately 5 minutes on track 1.
Boarding in approximately 5 minutes on track 1, and here it comes. The crossing signals have been activated. There's the other Metrorail that has just come out, and the freighter, as we call it, is coming in. We get it, choo-choo. And we have got the new scheme on 2 of the passenger cars. Here she comes. 8:50. Our cab car is 507. I spotted that perfectly. And unlike last time, the Metro Rail is still up there. And that'll about wrap things up. A freight locomotive and the new scheme. What a catch. And that's only my second Tri-Rail train that I've ever caught on this channel. Actually, no, it's my third. Anyways, I'll see y'all down that wooden line on Brio Boy 2009. And remember, keep your friends close and your trains closer.